In programming, you often need to know if an expression is true or false. When you compare two values, there is only two possible answers, true or false. The expression is evaluated and Python returns a Boolean answer. Here we are doing exactly that. We are comparing, and as a result we have a Boolean answer. Here we are defining a variable and a condition with if statement. When you execute a condition with if statement, Python returns true or false. With this syntax, you can check very easy the type of true and false. You only need to write type and true or false. It's possible to assign a Boolean value to variables. For example, here I'm using the word true like a variable. You can see that I'm using the word with the number 1, and for that reason the variable is executed without problem. Instead of number 1, you can use other number, letter, or phrase, but you need to use something because in other case they will be executed. For example, here I was using only the word true, and as a result there is an error. It's the same rule with the word false. You need to use with a letter, number, or phrase, other way will not be executed. Here I'm defining different variables to check if are true or false. Almost any value is always true, it has some kind of content. For example, any string, number, list, tuple, set, and dictionary are true except 0 or empty ones. To show you better, I will be writing some values that are false. In general, there is no many values that are false, except the empty ones, how I told you before, the number 0, the value known, and of course, the word false always will be false. If you execute this variable, you will see that the result is false. This because I'm using 0 as a value. Other way to use the Boolean is creating a function that returns this value, I mean true or false.